In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell coins on eBay. We're going to keep this simple and beginner friendly so you can follow along without feeling overwhelmed. If you're new to eBay, this process is a great starting point because it helps you learn how to browse coin listings, compare options, and make a purchase with confidence. To begin, go to eBay and type the word coins into the search bar. This will bring up a wide range of results, and that's exactly what you want at the start. Searching broadly lets you see what kinds of coins are available, how sellers present their listings, and the different price ranges you might come across. If you're planning to buy or eventually sell coins yourself, getting familiar with the marketplace is an important first step. Once the search results appear, take your time and select the coins you like. This part is more important than many people realize because not every listing will be the same. Some coins may be priced higher because of their condition, rarity, year, mint mark, or the way the seller has packaged the listing. As you browse, pay attention to the photos, item titles, and overall presentation. A clear listing usually makes the buying process easier and gives you a better idea of what you're looking at. When you find a coin that interests you, open the listing and review it carefully. Make sure it matches what you want before moving forward. This is a good habit whether you're buying for a collection as a gift or simply exploring the market. Looking closely at the listing helps you avoid confusion and makes the transaction smoother. If you're ready to make the purchase, click on Buy It Now. This option is useful if you don't want to wait through an auction and prefer to purchase the coin immediately at the listed price. It's a straightforward way to complete the transaction and is often the easiest choice for beginners. Before finalizing anything, take a moment to confirm that you're on the correct item so you know exactly what you're buying. And that's the basic process. Start by searching for coins, browse, and choose the ones you like, then use Buy It Now when you're ready to purchase. Even though these steps are simple, they give you a solid foundation for understanding how coin listings work on eBay. As you spend more time browsing, you'll get better at spotting listings that match your interests and budget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.